What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Willie Smith, aka Willie Nillie Knits, here with Jimmy Bean's Wool. Picking up drop stitches is not that crazy. It can be daunting sometimes, but as long as you know what you're doing, you keep yourself calm, and we just breathe through it, we can knock this out. Let me show you what I mean. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take that loop right off that needle. We're gonna drop it. Don't panic. We're okay. We're in control. We're gonna drop it down a few rows. Just like that. We're going to secure that loop. Make sure you have a crochet hook handy. I prefer to use a one size smaller than my needles or the same size. This one happens to be the same size. Get it in that loop. Find your bar. There's my bar. Get my hook through. Pull it through like a slip stitch. Just like that. Let's do it again. Grab it. Pull it through. Easy peasy. Grab it, pull it through. Slip stitch, baby. Keep your tension. Don't overdo it. Pull it through. We made it back to the top. We're back on top side. Get it back on that needle. And just like that, you guys, picking up a drop stitch is not scary at all. You're in control.